Let me show you how I decorated our bedroom fireplace for Christmas. First, I start with my favorite command hooks and I attach it to my mantle in 3 different places, on each end and in the middle. Next, I added in these beautiful seeded eucalyptus garlands and then layered on top these pre-lit cedar garlands. Then I added in some of these clear command hooks on the face of my mantle so I could include some embellishments like these gold bells, velvet ribbon, and wood beads that I draped from one side of the garland all the way to the other. I love the way the fireplace turned out, and now our bedroom has a little cozy Christmas cheer.